Hi, Olivia Berry here with Balcones Dermatology and Aesthetics. Today I wanted to just do something a little different, have a little mini facial with you guys, just hang out and show you some of the products that we've been loving recently. So if you want to join me, we'll get started here. So first we have Aseptic MD Cleanser. Now the active ingredient in this is chlorine dioxide. It's great because it's a foam, so it's really easy to use. And this is actually going to help kill any microbial activity on your skin that can be contributing to acne or keratosis pilaris, folliculitis, that kind of thing. So it's wonderful for patients with inflamed skin, as it does exfoliate by breaking up keratin bonds in the skin, but it won't irritate your skin like with acids or using a daily retinol. So it's safe enough for daily use. Chlorine dioxide is actually used to clean fruits and veggies, so it's perfectly safe to use on your skin every single day. So our patients have been loving this product. We've seen a lot of good results with this. So I'm just going to dispense some out into my hands. You can see it's a nice fun foam, really easy to use. I'm just going to kind of go right into it, cleanse my skin with it. Now, when we talk about breaking up the keratin bonds between the cells, you want to think about when those cells are clumping together and sticking together, they're getting pushed back into your pores and breaking you out and irritating your skin. So they actually published articles in scientific journals about this product and about, kind of those keratin bonds in general, that breaking them up will help with keratosis pilaris, that KP, that can happen on your upper arms as well. So you can use this product on a washcloth and use it on your upper arms if you're having problems there. So it smells great. It really, really helps with the skin. You want to get your fingers kind of like small and hard and kind of feel exactly what you're doing on the skin. And then just kind of, have fun with that. So I do like to make sure I'm getting every single square inch of my face here. And go a little bit on the chin as well. And it's not going to be irritating your skin. It's so gentle. So we love this product because our patients can use it every day. So with a fresh, hot, steaming towel, I'm going to just remove this product from my skin. So if you're doing a little mini facial at your own house, you can take a clean towel and get it wet and pop it in the microwave for like 20 seconds. And then, just rub it all over. It feels great. So you can do that by yourself at home too. So next up in my little mini facial, I'm actually going to skip the exfoliation step because that does kind of exfoliate your skin, in a non-acidic, harsh, irritating way. So I feel great. I feel like I can go straight to the mask. And this is our enriched firming mask from Epionce. So this is quite a wonderful product. It contains a ton of different wonderful botanical blends. It contains willow bark extract as well. It has great antioxidants. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It really ticks all of those boxes for me. It won't break you out. It's really super hydrating and super calming. So it's great for really dry times of the year. When it's cold outside, you can put this directly onto sunburned skin, windburned skin. You can put this on your hands, and the best part of all, you don't have to wash it off. So a lot of my patients actually use this as a sleep it off kind of mask where they put it on, they just sleep overnight in it. And you can even like put it on, do the dishes, do the laundry, just leave it on all day. It also has a great blend of citrus oils, so it smells amazing. So this is the wonderful enriched firming mask from Epionce. So this contains the willow bark extract, which is not only an antioxidant, but it's also going to help transform your skin because it contains that same kind of derivative that's in salicylic acid. It's not going to be as strong as a straight up salicylic acid wash or cream or something like that. So when you apply it to your skin, you don't have to use a fan brush, you can use your fingers, and I'll demonstrate both. But you want to go ahead and make sure that you evenly distribute it across the skin and make sure that you get it, right up to the nose and the lips. Don't go over the eyes, but you just want to make sure that you get it all over the skin. And then I'll show you the Other side. So this can be a fun little thing you can do by yourself, like a little glamorous little beauty regimen ritual thing. You can do it when you take a bath, you can do it when you're brushing your teeth, and it's just fun to put on a mask. And I love this product because it's super affordable. You know, sometimes masks can be really expensive, but this is actually really, really, really low on the price point, and it's such a superhero product, so I love this mask. So after applying this all over my face, and I've used a very generous amount today, if you want to use this as the leave it on mask or leave on product, you don't have to use a lot of it, but after I apply it, and I'll show you guys how I can do it, you just want to massage it into your skin. You can do this as well, so this feels great to do, and you can go upward and outward with the massage and just slowly work the product into the skin. Bring it down around the sides of the face. So I love to encourage my patients to incorporate facial massage into their routine. So self-massage also helps with lymphatic drainage, and that can help with things like puffy under eye circles, help with general puffiness to the face as well. And with that, you want a nice light touch. No, not like you're dragging the skin downwards, but you want just like a nice light touch, and we're just moving that down. But the massaging will help activate the muscles and help just keep everything moving around. All right, now after rinsing off that mask, my skin feels so moisturized and so hydrated. I can go ahead and skip that moisturizer step as well. I just feel like I don't really need it today. So I'm going to go straight to, I have a nice rose water toner, and I'm just gonna spread this all over my face. Give it a nice hydrating glow to the skin. And while that kind of sets in and settles and feels great and refreshing, I'll talk a little bit about the eye cream. So this is our Renewal Eye Cream from Epionce. This product is huge. As far as eye creams go, you really do not need a lot of product when it comes to an eye cream. And there's different eye creams for different things. You can use an eye cream with caffeine in it for under eye dark circles, but this one's just gonna be a pure, eye cream for the eye area. So when you use an eye cream like this, you really do not need a huge amount of product. You need like a little baby grain of rice kind of size for each eye area. So you want to go ahead and grab that product on your ring finger, and you want to go ahead and apply that all around the eye area. Now this product is perfect for all skin types, all skin conditions. You do not need to be young or old to use this product. It's never too early to start using an eye cream. It's also never too late to start using an eye cream. So you can go ahead and use this product 2 times a day if you'd like, or just once. And I really encourage you to try it underneath makeup and also just by itself, because this eye cream contains a very sophisticated light diffusing kind of technology where it just gives the most beautiful diffused sheen, like just this beautiful glow. At the same time, it's packed with these beautiful botanical ingredients to help rejuvenate the under eye area. So I encourage you to incorporate it into your routine. It's super easy to use, and like I said, you do not need a lot. If you gloop it on, you're just wasting product, so you can make that last a very long time. Now I am all hydrated and set and eye creamed up. I am ready to move on to the final step. Now this is my holy grail product, my favorite sunscreen of all time. Now sunscreens are very personal choices. This is the Isden Actinic Care Aerophotona Actinica Ultralight Emulsion SPF 50+. Now you ask anyone, they'll give you a different answer for what sunscreen they like. Tinted, not tinted, it's a very personal choice. I love this product, and I'll show you why. First off, the consistency, I'll show you, shake it a little bit, you drop it on, it's like milk. Oh look, I made a little smiley face. You don't need a ton of this product. It is so lightweight. It is like a serum. It is just wonderful. So when you go to apply that to the skin, it just settles in. I have used this product for months and months and months, It has not broken me out one time. I love how it feels. I love how it smells. It smells a little bit like, I don't know, like baby lotion or something. It's awesome. It's a great product, and it will actually help reverse actinic sun damage as well. So you could apply this product in the dead of night and it would still help your skin. So I love it. I love it, and it's a huge size. It's 100 milliliters. So you can make that last a very long time. And I'm kind of applying it in a weird way. I usually use both my hands, but you want to make sure you get, you know, right up to that hairline. Also make sure you get, you know, over the nose, around the nose area as well. And it blends out. You see it's not tinted, but it won't give you a super thick white cast shine. Also doesn't like squeeze out like toothpaste. I love the sunscreen. It's so easy to use, it's so lightweight. It's awesome. So I have completed my mini facial here. I'm all protected from the sun with my sunscreen. If you are interested in any of the products that I've used, you can go ahead and pick them up here at Balcones Dermatology and Aesthetics. If you really like Epionce as well, you can give us a call and we'll give you a way to get that shipped to your house. Other than that, I look forward to meeting you or seeing you here soon at Balcones Dermatology and Aesthetics.